Hello everyone, I hope you all are having a great day, weekend, whatever day of the week it might be for you. Thank you for watching today's video, hope you enjoy it. Stay tuned for what me and Jeffrey have planned.
Alright, so I'm headed into work. My water bottle, my book bag. Does anyone else take a bag with them to work with unnecessary shit? Thank you. Finally on a 15-minute break. Unfortunately, I can't show you around my work. I work at a post-acute rehab, so HIPAA laws and all that fun stuff. But yeah, I'm a CNA. I work at a post-acute rehab. I do a lot of ADL. It's kind of like an assisted living if you've ever worked at one of those types of facilities. There's a lot more amputees here and more machines for lifting them. But other than that, it's pretty much the same. We have a lot of younger ones as well. But I'm gonna enjoy my break and I'll get back to you.
I feel like no one told me how much Dalmatians actually, get in. Like, the first dog that I got, Toby, he was easy as a puppy, but Nala, the Dalmatian, she's a handful. She loves to test us every single day. I don't know if she's actually a vacuum, because you drop something, it's in her mouth in less than a second. If any of y'all have ever had a Dalmatian, is there any advice? Was yours easy? Was it hard? And definitely let me know.
And now I'm headed on my lunch break. I'm gonna take a nap in my car because I am so tired. Oh, see you soon. Our lunch breaks seem to go by so fast. Back to work we go.
So I have this camera and there's still some stuff I don't know about it. So I've been researching it all day, because there's different shutter speeds, which I did not know about. The ISO, right over my head. There's so much that goes into it. So there's pretty much so many different things that you can do, and I didn't know, I think it's the lower the I didn't know the lower the shutter speed, it causes this banding, so that was new. So you have to raise the shutter speed. You want to do 50 or 60, which is 50 is in Europe and then 60 is in the US, and it has to do with frequency of the lights going on around you. I didn't know that. And the ISO, I'm assuming that's just the the exposure, I think. I don't know. Oh, hello there. I'm just kidding. If you have any movie record or TV shows or movie recommendations, put it down in the comments, because I feel like right now my mind is going blank on any TV shows or what's good to watch. So
Okay, I'm leaving work, heading to the grocery store. Gonna get a few things and come along and you'll see what I'm gonna make. While the meat's cooking, we're gonna spray our pan with some cooking spray. And place one of our pre-made pizza crust on there. Then we're gonna brush some vegetable oil onto the crust. Start off with that. Okay, we need the pizza sauce. Any of them? Two, just in case I didn't know. Add more now.
what do you think?
I don't like a bunch of sauce.
I don't like a bunch of sauce either. I don't want heartburn.
Okay, hold on. So with one jar, it looks like this. And Mikey and myself, we don't like too much sauce. We don't want acid reflux. So this looks good. Then we're gonna put the meat sauce right onto the pizza. Next, you're gonna shred your cheeses of choice and add them to the pizza. We're doing sharp cheddar and mozzarella. All right, and now we're gonna add our pepperonis. Last but not least, we're gonna pop this bad boy in the oven. We're gonna bake it for about 7 to 10 minutes. All right, looks like the pizza's done, so we're gonna take it out and let it sit for just a couple minutes. And this is what it's looking like.
Alright, now that the pizza's all done, we have our slices right here. They look, I mean, it looks amazing. So now it's time to taste it and see how it is.
Mmm,
Good.
it's very good.
I need a napkin. You don't want a napkin?
Mm-hmm.
I would give it a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Just like my grandma used to make.
Good answer, good answer.
Mm-hmm. While we finish this pizza, if you like this video today, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, subscribe. And until next time, bye!